long are you? Little puppy. No face this lion. Me box to make your face go a Zion.
Me nah stop trying until me get that flying. Me nah stop trying. You want me satisfied.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Line and line and speak up on yourself. Welcome to Linefoot TV, another man of peace. We say give thanks to life, health and strength, give thanks to another day. You see me, I say health over wealth. You see it? Yeah, man, big up everybody on the platform. I don't know. Yes, man, right now I want to send out my speedy recovery and sincere, sympathy and prayers for Fantan Mojah. You see me? How long are you? Yeah, man, Fantan Mojah, my J, my elder, Well, we're close in age still, but I don't know, bigger brother who inspire I and I, you know what I mean? Big up Casper, meet Fantan Mojah in person, you know what I mean? And I mean, I tell you, Fantan Mojah is a very talented individual, real, full of vibes. Yes, man, energy, brother,
Them no bad like we at all. If them this back a tree, what you will at them fall. No bad like we at all. Them badness shot, how I want all.
Yeah, man, big up, Fanton Mojah. So I talk about Fanton Mojah, and also, again, brush up on Rygin King. Still seeing our Rygin King star, you see? Can't believe the G get himself messed up in that situation there. You know what I mean, my viewers and subscribers. But don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell, you see it? Yeah, man, I don't know, maybe gonna please go check out, my single. Well, now stop try. Yeah, you see it? Please and thanks. We need the support. We need for boss and God to go deliver the message to the people them too, and you know what I mean, can help mama and papa and help some poor people too. We need the help. Is it?
Them no bad like we at all. If them this Jasper, we watch you all at them pal. No bad like we at all. Our badness star like Jericho wall.
Yes, man. So that song in Wall Street, you know what I mean, produced by Casper, I and I, and you know what I mean. This project, Marshall Rhythm, want to go check it out. Keep it on the planet, Loot and Fire, Fantan Mojah, me the planet, Real Scale 45 the planet, IRA the planet, and many more names the planet. Wally mix out the two as well, but this song needs some more promotion, I mean, going to a full story how it created, how it started. I and I build the rhythm from my laptop. Big up brilliant the beat, and Casper hear it and say, yo, that rhythm have a bounce, have a sound, and bring it to the studio, put it on the big sound system then. You see me, and really do the make it history, change up some sounds and add some more flair to it and sauce, you know what I mean? And I saw the rhythm come about, Marshall Rhythm. Go check it out if you're not aware of it, but yeah, man, Fantan Mojah song in Wall Street. See?
We don't shop at Wall Street when this a bubble makes them. We are lion, them a dark, so we watch them a sweat. No for them, bad man, me youth road, stop them road. Now sell the culture, me still well internet.
Yeah, man, so Fantan Mojah was heading to Martinique to do a festival and thing, you know what I mean? And when him land, him start feeling some complications with his art a tighten up, yeah, and them thing then breathe shorter breath and them thing there, you see me? So you can't take no check with the health, you see me? Boom. He went to the hospital and the man just admit him same time, and I see to him that, him recover well and fit, because I don't know, you can't take no checking this time. We lost some great people, musicians as well, you see me, over the years since COVID. You know what I mean? So you can't take no check. So we see in the paper yesterday, I say, Jano, you see me, Fantan Mojah is a real general man. Real general man. Fantan tell me, say, I'm talented, I'm a good writer. Don't give up. You see me? Major Markle say the same thing too. Because they all come see me at Casper studio. Big up Casper. Casper I'm a G. You see me? Casper I'm a general, man. Never hesitate for voice me and record me and bring me in the street and make me get some street credit as well. You see me? So big up Casper anyway there. Yeah, man, Fantan Mojah voice man rhythm. How long are you? You see me? Them not bad like we at all. This Casper will make the whole of them fall. Is it? Yeah, man. So you don't know which Fantan Mojah Speedy recovery. One at a time me and Fantan a roll. Big whip, you see me? Big beast, Nah, left me a road because I said that youth are bad, talented. I just time if me need to do a tune, but it never happened because I know my cut come back to England and thing, but no regret. That's what I say my viewers and subscribers. So we just want to big up Fantan Mojah and Speedy recovery, Fantan. Speedy recovery. When you forward link up, we need to do a tune. You know we have the song ready and waiting and the rhythm to it. You see me? Yeah man, so Speedy recovery, Fanton Mojah. You see it? Casper, big up yourself once more. So now we move on to Rygin King. Rygin King, Jano star.
Yeah, me book for this one up and them start burn. Throw me fit for the throne so the Fantan select. When my car roll outside the money happy me. Me don't know about them, me want a private jet.
Yeah man, so Rygin King. Why? That caught up in a situation right now where everyone say Jano star. You know what I mean? So we see some people that say, yo, I go down not even Rygin King weapon them, you know? But the fact still remain, even if you're not film on them, no man never planted in a car. They were stopped and maybe search conducted and you know, them just caught red-handed coming from a show. Rygin King should never end up in that situation. You know, or to you know, each to their own, one of them one big man can do what they want to do. Is it? But me I say, me still I say, the man nothing, boy, I never know. I never know star, cause who got take the blame? One man now got take the blame if I four a piece. One man now take the blame for everything. But let's watch and see. Is it? But still I say Rygin King get some security man. Shouldn't have ended up in another situation right now where in the jail right now, charged and you see me? Arrested and charged. Firearm and possession of ammunition and I'm not joke. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, but we say Speedy, I hope we are waiting to see the outcome, you know what I mean? Yeah, we are waiting to see the outcome because that's a good look for the artist. I know the police are going to say, him are the entertainer, him are the star, so him in vehicle with what go on, him know what go on. But let's see who going to take the raps. Let's see who going to take the blame. You know? That's how you go star.
Now stop trying. Fly low, fly high. Now stop trying. Until the day I die. Yeah man, words of inspiration coming from I am Marek, you know?
Little puppy, no wrong with the lion. Them no bad like we at all. Help them this back a tree, but you will let them fall.